Hi everybody, welcome to day 5 of the $2,500 challenge. Well, good news. Today we have completed the challenge. I made $537 in pre-market. Let's get into the trades. So just the one trade, as you can see here, OPTT. There was some news out this morning. You can even see now it's spiking. It's now up 54, almost 55% on the day. I have the graph from, the chart's taken from IB because there wasn't enough detail in the charts that I normally use from Trade Ideas. I got in at 7.13 this morning. I wanted to get in at $2.56, but I couldn't get filled. There weren't enough shares to get filled, so I had to wait a few minutes and I got filled. The remaining 4,000 shares at $2.65. So 9 cents more expensive, which would have been an extra $300 or so, but that's fine. That's fine. I'm absolutely wrapped and stoked that today went so well, so it doesn't matter. And then I sold the first 2,000 shares here, roughly, at $2.78, and then I sold 1,000 here at $2.80, and then I was waiting for it to go further up, which actually you can see it live now going up. It's 8:34 in the morning, so this is now before the market's even open, and I'm done for the day. And then the remaining 1,275, simply because it wasn't breaking through the 280 barrier, and I didn't want to hold it for too long. There were a couple of really weird trades here. I reckon this was market makers just manipulating the market. There were a couple of trades that went off at 230, but it's one of those things, nothing to really worry about. And then this photo or this image was taken at 8:15 or thereabouts. So it's now 8.35, so you can actually see this is getting closer to $3 now. So really, this will be a strong stock today. It's only got 5 million in the float, so I think this is definitely in play today. So that's it. Let me bring up the progress chart. So this is the last one. So there we go. $537 today. Net commissions were $32. And gross was $569, which brings the total to $2,806 in just 5 days. So the question is, where do I go from here? Do I start live tomorrow? Or do I set myself another challenge to get a bit more confidence under my belt? I've got to tell you, I'm a little bit torn, because on the one hand, I am feeling pretty confident. On the other hand, the fact of the matter is that the indiscipline I had on Friday and the couple of days before that, Wednesday last week, were just really reckless trading. And I'm just concerned that maybe I need a bit more time to iron out the wrinkles. But then on the other hand, if I don't give it a crack, I might as well be doing simulation all my life and I'm not going to get anywhere. So it's a tough call. I'm erring on the side of going live. I'm going to make the decision later on today. I'll just see how the market is, what the price action is. I'm pretty confident I will go live tomorrow. But if anything does change, have a look at my blog. I'll post up some things about today and about what my plans are. The blog is daytradearcade.com, or if you'd like to reach out to me, more than happy to help anyone out. I'm still a beginner. I've only been trading for about 5 months. 2 of those were live and 3 of those were paper trading. And I've got to tell you that paper trading has really helped. It's honed in on what my edge is. It's helped eliminate a lot of the issues that I would have had I just gone live. Things like overtrading, revenge trading, things like FOMO, all the normal things that, all traders go through. The only thing I haven't gone through in the simulation so I've done 2 simulations for those who have been following me. I've done the 1K and the 2.5K. Out of those combined challenges, which I think lasted 9 days all up, I haven't had a single red day. That's the only thing that's kind of making me think maybe I need to do another challenge where I kind of deal with losses. But then on the other hand, I have dealt with losses throughout the challenge. It's just that I've come out green on the days. So I don't know whether that's just luck or whether I'm just doing okay. Yes, there were a couple of days where I was quite indisciplined and unrealistically taking, large losses unrealized, which I wouldn't have done had it been live money. So that's something to keep in mind. But overall, I'm very happy with how things have gone. I have to tell you that leaving the chat rooms behind and focusing solely on my own strategy and not following anybody has made a tremendous difference. I can tell that I'm making my own trades. I'm making my own decisions. I'm doing the due diligence. I'm picking the right stocks. I'm, casting away the ones that I don't need. It's really come together for me. I think I've kind of hit that kind of, flash bulb moment or light bulb moment, where, everything just kind of seems to make a little bit more sense. So, simulation is great because it teaches you a lot of good things. But on the one hand, the one thing it doesn't teach you is obviously the emotional factors come into play with real money. But that's something that, I've gone through before. I've lost $5,000 in the space of 2 months live trading. So I know it sucks. But, I've now come from a much better place. I've got a bit more experience, that I've gone through these last 2 challenges. So we'll make a decision later today, but I'm kind of varying for having a go. As you can just tell now, OPTT is almost at $3. It's probably going to hit $3 quite soon. So this stock is definitely going to be in play today, up 61% on the day. So that's it, guys. As always, shoot me off an email or be in touch with me. I'm happy to talk to anyone and help with any questions. Like I said, I'm a beginner. I'm learning, but more than happy to share my knowledge as to, what got me from the beginnings of just being completely lost at sea to where I am now. My email address is bart@daytraderarcade.com. And look at OPTT. It's going to break through, isn't it? Yeah, there it goes. All right, guys, wishing you a very, very happy day. Hope you have a great day of trading. And remember, be disciplined, trade your own strategies, and hope you guys have a great day. Talk again soon. Bye.